Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Moonpool Blueprint in Subnautica 2. First things first, use your life pod as your starting point for navigation. What you'll want to do is check the compass at the top and head straight south. As you keep swimming in that direction, you'll eventually come across a huge wreckage stuck on a massive rock formation. You'll also want to be careful in this area since there are a lot of jellyfish-like creatures surrounding the wreckage. Enter the wreckage through the entrance on the back side. Once inside, head up through the vent located in the upper right corner of the room. Take the first right turn, then continue following the path until you exit the vent. On the wall beside the center bunk bed, you'll find the Moonpool Blueprint. Once you pick it up and check your habitat builder, you'll now be able to build the Moonpool module yourself. It's also an essential base upgrade for docking your tadpole vehicle. And that's how to find the Moonpool Blueprint in Subnautica 2. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.